Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft's developer account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to join the developer program, you will be needing to join it from the official website. And by that or after joining, you will be able to start using your developer program account. So as you can see, you will be needing to go to the developer program page, and from there you will be able to subscribe or to join your this program, and you will get your account. So simply here we are on the developer.microsoft.com, and from here you will be able to go to the developer program, and basically we can click on join now. If you want to see who qualifies, you can go to learn more about eligibility, and as you can see, you can find here in addition the following Microsoft's AI Cloud Partner Program participants can contact their Microsoft partner to be added and allowed to receive access to the developer subscription. And as you can see, any Visual Studio subscriber with the standard professional or standard enterprise subscription will be able to qualify for subscription. So basically, you will be needing just to click on join now. You add your email. So as you can see, I'm already connected to my account, and basically you will add just your informations from here. You will need just to accept to the term and click on next, and basically that's it. If you are eligible to join, you will be able like to sign up as we did, and you choose next, and from there you will choose your preferences and what you want, and basically that's it. So when you are finished, you choose join, and your preferences will be appearing on the next page on the top right, and you will be welcome. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.